Hey guys, I wanted to post a quick video and show you my new project. It's a 2003 KLX110. I picked it up for $1,000 the other day and been ripping it around the yard a little bit. I just wanted to give it a quick wash before I showed it to you. But this is going to be a quick little build series. Depending on how much I like the bike, we might get a little more in-depth into it. But for now, we have new plastics, new tires, new chain, grips, seat cover. I think that's the gist of what I ordered. As you can see, it has no rear fender. The rear fender is broken off. Needs a rear tire very badly. This rear tire is spanked. But overall, it's a great running bike. For $1,000, I couldn't say no, couldn't pass up on it. But this is what we're looking at for now. If you guys have built a bike like this before, or you have any suggestions on what I should do with it, leave me a comment, shoot me a like, and subscribe if you want to see the rest of the videos. Thanks for watching.